Okay, so multiplication of algebraic expressions. Now we will see multiplication of monomial with a binomial. So suppose if I have x multiplied by a plus b. If this is my expression, here my first expression is a monomial, it's containing a single term x, and second expression is a binomial containing two terms a and b. So if I need to multiply them, then I need to multiply the monomial with both the terms a and b that are there in the bracket. So x will be multiplied with a, that will give me xa or ax. Then whatever sign is there between a and b, that same sign will be put here, and x will be multiplied with b. So I will get xb. So x to be multiplied with first term and then x to be multiplied with the second term. Whatever sign is there between both these terms, that has to be written here. Suppose if this is a trinomial, same way it will be done. X into a plus b plus c, suppose. Or more number of terms are there. Then also x will be first multiplied with the first term, second term, third term. So it will be ax or xa plus bx plus cx. What if I replace this with a minus sign? So x into a plus b minus c. This will become ax plus bx minus cx. So this is how multiplication has to be done. So we'll begin with exercise 9.3. Now first question is 4p into q plus r. This is my first. I have to multiply these two. 4p is my first expression. Q plus r is my second expression and I have to multiply them. So this will be 4p into q, that is 4pq. I have first multiplied these two, then put a plus sign, and then 4p into r, that is 4pr. This is how it will be done. Now the next one that I am going to solve is a plus b and 7a square b square. So if I need to multiply these two expressions, it will be written as a plus b into 7a square b square, a plus b into 7a square b square. So this 7a square b square will be multiplied with a first. So I will get 7a cube b square plus again the 7a square b square will be multiplied with b. So I will get 7a square b cube. So this will be my answer. So question number 3, the first part. You have to multiply a square into 2a raised to the power of 22 into 4a raised to the power of 26. Now here you can use laws of exponents also. First multiply the coefficients. 2 into 4 will be multiplied. Here the coefficient is 1. So 1 into 2 into 4, that is 8. A raised to the power of, now this is a square into a raised to the power of 22 into a raised to the power of 26. So applying the laws of exponent, I can write it as a raised to the power of 2 plus 22 plus 26. So when you add all these, 26 plus 22 plus 2, you will get it as 50. So this is equal to 8 into a raised to the power of 50. And second part also I will solve. Second part is 2 by 3 xy. This is the first term. Second term is minus 9 by 10 x square y square. So you can write this separately like this: 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10. Coefficients you can multiply separately, and xy into x square y square. This can be written separately. Now when you multiply these coefficients, 3 and minus 9, this can get cancelled out. 3 3s are 9, so this becomes minus 3, and 2 5s are 10. So this will become minus 3 by 5, and x into x square, x cube, y into y square, y cube. Now fourth one is, you have to first simplify the given expression and then you have to substitute the value of the variable that is given. So the expression is 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3, and find its value at, first part is x equal to 3 and second part is x equal to 1 by 2. So first you have to simplify this expression and then you will put the value of x equal to 3 and find its value, and put x equal to 1 by 2 and find its value. So first you will multiply 3x with 4x, so that will give you 12x square. Then 3x with minus 5, so that will be minus 15x plus 3. Now I will put x equal to 3 in this expression. So I will get 12 into 3 square minus 15 into 3 plus 3. That is 12 into 9 minus 15 into 3, that is 45, plus 3. So 12 into 9, this will give you 108 minus 45 plus 3. So when you evaluate this, you will get the answer as, this is 63 plus 3, so 66. Now second part, after simplifying this expression, you will put the value of x as x equal to half. So 12 into 1 by 2 the whole square minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. So 12 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. 12 into 1 by 4. This is 3. 4 3s are 12 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. Now here you can take the LCM as 2. So this will be 6 minus 15 plus 6. So 6 plus 6, this will be 12 minus 15. So 12 minus 15 by 2, that is minus 3 by 2. That is the answer. So the fifth problem is, you have to add this expression. So for this you will be multiplying p with p minus q, that is you will get p square, p into p is p square, minus p into q is pq, plus q into q, q square, minus q into r is qr, plus r into r is r square, minus rp. This is what you get.